Sunday. So for today, the color that we're doing is blue. Hello. Okay, and the palette that I'm gonna use today, let's see, I'm gonna use my Cara Beauty Free Spirit and Wild Heart dual palette. I'm gonna use the Free Spirit side because hi, look at all these blues. That glitter shade right there, we're using that today. Okay, so let's get started. So I think what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna, as my transition shade, I'm just gonna use this baby blue right here. Right here. And this is really just gonna kind of give me like a light wash of color. Nothing major. Sorry. Okay. Actually, got to fix my under eye area a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take the same crease brush and I'm gonna go in with the deeper blue shade. Now which one I go in with, I'm not sure. I might go in with this blue right here. This one right here. Just to kind of, to now deepen up my crease area. Ooh, yeah. Yes. I will say this, Cara Beauty, I really like these eyeshadows. They're, you know, pretty inexpensive, but they're easy to work with. They're buildable. I feel like they blend together really nicely. Like, I got this dual palette, granted it was on sale, but still, like a dual palette for 18 bucks. You really cannot beat that. And the one that I used last week, that was just 15 bucks, and that wasn't on sale, so that's the regular price. And they perform really, really nicely. Yes, okay. I built that up to where I want it. Now, let's see what I want to do. Now, I think I'm just gonna go in with a lid shade. We'll see, really, because I'm gonna put whatever shade I'm using. I'm putting, got a little bit of fallout, but I'm gonna put the glitter shade on top, so it's really not that crucial. I think just what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna go in with the deeper blue here. I don't know how much different it'll be from the shade that I just used, but this shade right here, I'm gonna use that one. Let's see. Okay, oh, it might be different. Okay, just looks a little more vibrant. Let's see. Oh wow, oh that's nice, yes. And blues can be difficult to work with, So the fact that these, I just feel like, are so pigmented. Like, I really like these. Yes. Sorry, I know I'm like totally covering up my face. That's nice. Okay, come on. I mean, that's like a true blue. Like, y'all see that? Barely dipped. Yes. I will say this, I'm doing more of a packing motion just to really make sure that the color stays. Because I feel like if I try to start, you know, like doing circular motions or sweeping it, that it will take off the shadow, and that's not what we want. Okay. Woo. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now, I'm gonna hit that glitter shade because it just looks so pretty. Let's see. I feel like using my finger will probably be better. Ooh. Ooh, y'all see that? Okay. Yes. I'm ready. Oof. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh. It's like a blue disco ball. I'm here for it. Listen, I'm so impressed with these glitter shades in this palette, or in these palettes. They're so pretty, and the payoff, like, baby. Like, baby girl, yes. Ugh. So pretty. Yes. So pretty, so pretty. I love. It is blue, honey, blue. Okay. Trying to think what I want to do now. I really kind of don't want to do a whole lot more. I think I'm gonna put some shadow on my lower lash line just to, you know, tie everything together. And I think I'm gonna hit a white in my tear duct. So I think I'm just gonna go in with that second blue shade that I used to deepen up my crease area. And I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line just to kind of tie it together. I'm gonna put that white shade, let's see, put this white shade right here. Just gonna put that in my tear duct. Yeah, just to kind of brighten up my eyes a little bit. They're looking a little dark, but it's very pretty. Okay. Yeah, so now I think I'm just gonna put on some liner, mascara. I really probably should put on a lash with this, but I'm just feeling really lazy. I'll see. I'm gonna put on mascara, and if I'm not having that, then I'll add a lash. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've already put on my jewelry and my hair. I did decide to add lashes with it. This look is a little intense, so she did need a lash, even though I really didn't feel like it. But I sucked it up and put a lash on. Now I just need to do my lip. I'm just gonna go in with this Jordana matte lipstick. I've had this for ages. I don't remember what this shade is. Oh wait, matte Frappuccino. Yeah, but I've had this for ages. It's just kind of like a nice nude for me, but like more of a warm nude. Yeah, I like this lip with this. Okay. Perfect. So now I just need to lock everything down and set my face with my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. Ooh. Also, y'all, can I just say that whenever we can freaking go out again, I am going to have an arsenal of looks, okay, for nights out, okay? All these videos I'm filming and these looks that I like, whenever that can occur. But all right, you guys, this is the final look. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys did too. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I like how this turned out. Yeah, I'll be back next week with some more. Bye, you guys.